Simplify 18 into bracket 1 divided by 3 squared minus 1 divided by 6 all squared. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. We know from indices that if we have a divided by b exponent n, it can be written as a exponent n divided by b exponent n. And so if we apply this here, then 1 divided by 3 squared can be written as 1 squared divided by 3 squared. So our expression is now 18 into bracket 1 squared divided by 3 squared minus 1 divided by 6 all squared. 1 squared will give us 1, 3 squared will give us 9, and so you have 18 into bracket 1 divided by 9 minus 1 divided by 6 squared. 1 divided by 9 minus 1 divided by 6 will give us negative 1 divided by 18. And so our expression is now 18 into bracket negative 1 divided by 18 squared. Negative 1 divided by 18 squared is the same as negative 1 divided by 18 times negative 1 divided by 18. So our expression will become 18 times negative 1 divided by 18 times negative 1 divided by 18. And this will give us 1 divided by 18. And so when we simplify this expression, we are going to have 1 divided by 18. When we look through the options, you can see that the correct option is B, 1 divided by 18.